walked the streets of Davao in the rain, with fire in my eyes, not chasing fame. A voice for the broken, a shield for the weak. In silence I listen, but justice I speak. They laughed at the way that I talk, but never at how I walk the walk. From Mindanao to the nation's gate, I stood my ground for love, not hate. I didn't rise to wear a crown, I rose so no one brings us down. From Mindanao to the nation's gate, I stood my ground for love, not hate. I didn't rise to wear a crown, I rose so no one brings us down. I am not a Filipino for nothing. My blood is bold, my heart is burning. With every cry from the voiceless land, I raise my fist, I take a stand. They may not like the way I fight, but I defend what's just and right. Cause I am not a Filipino for nothing. I was born to serve, not just to dream. I challenge kings and foreign hands, refused to kneel, refused demands. My word was harsh, my path was steep, but I kept promises I swore to keep. They called me names I did not fold, my loyalty was never sold. I may not speak the softest way, but I showed up, come what may. I never asked to be adored, just let me fight for what you're fighting for. I am not a Filipino for nothing. This flag is stitched into my skin. With every breath and every scar, I carried battles near and far. I did not lead to please the crowd, I led so we could stand proud. Cause I am not a Filipino for nothing. I am my people's voice and flame. Call me what you will, may your tyrants storm or steal, but I'd rather be cursed while defending you than praised while selling you. I am not a Filipino for nothing. I stood when the world said sit down. I bled for every truth I told, never bartered my soul for gold. You may not write me in gentle songs, but I stood firm against the wrong. Cause I am not a Filipino for nothing. Tatay fought, and the nation knows his name. I am not a Filipino for nothing. I was born to be something.
Nilakad ko ang Davao kahit pumambulan. May tapang sa puso, di kailangan ng palakpakan. Boses ng napi, katapat tanggol ng naaapi. Tahimik akong nakikinig, pero may salitang matindi. Tawanan man nila ang aking salita, di nila kayang tapatan ang gawa. Mula timog hanggang sa Malacanang, paninindigan ko'y hindi magigiba. Hindi ako umakyat para lang mamuno, umakyat ako para ipaglaban kayo. Mula timog hanggang sa Malacanang, paninindigan ko'y hindi magigiba. Hindi ako umakyat para lang mamuno, umakyat ako para ipaglaban kayo. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan. Ang dugong dumataloy ay may tapang at dangal. Sa bawat sigaw ng bayang nasasaktan, itinaas ko ang kamao, humarap sa laban. Di man gusto ng iba ang aking paraan, ngunit sa tama ako'y matatag na lumalaban. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan. Ipinanganak akong maglingkod, hindi lang mangarap. Hinarap ko ang mga makapangyarihan, hindi umuko sa dikta ng dayuhan. Oo, ako'y magaspang kung magsalita, pero pag nangako, di ako umaatras sa laban. Inintasan nila ako't insulto, pero puso ko'y hindi nagbibili ng ginto. Hindi man ako ang pinakabanaya, pero ako'y naroroon sa oras ng pangangailangan. Hindi ko kailangan ang palakpakan, gusto ko lang kayong mapapektahan. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan, ang matawat ay bahagi ng aking laman. Sa bawat sugat, luha at laban, bibig ko ang bayan sa bawat hakbang. Di ako liber para lang kilalanin, ako'y nanindigan para tayo'y igalang din. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan, ako'y tinig ng sambayan ng hate, taga ng sinihil. Tawagin niyo akong bastos, diktator o hari, mas pipiliin ko pang murahin, wag lang kayong ipagkanulog. Mas pipiliin ko pang laipin, wag lang kayong ibenta sa traidorya ng panata ko. Kayong Pilipino na aking Panginoon. Di ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan, tumindig ako ng may tangal. Di ako nabuhay para lang purihin, kundi upang ipatanggol ang karaniwang mamamayan. Maaaring iba ang aking anyo at tinig, ngunit para sa bayan, ako'y tunay at matuwid. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan, ako si tatay, tagapagtanggol ng bayan. Hindi ako Pilipino nang walang dahilan, ako'y sinilang para sa inang bayan.